a very cold and wet day here at Mallory Performance today, but we've got an Audi R8 V10 in bright yellow to brighten things up with. Now, although the V10 sounds really good as standard, this customer has dropped his Audi R8 off to have a Quicksilver exhaust installed on it, so it's going to sound incredible and hopefully some nice performance gains as well. So let's get out of the cold and into the workshop. Okay, so we've got the standard back box next to the Quicksilver back box. Size difference is crazy and the weight difference as well is completely different. So this is going to obviously give us a better sound, it's saving weight and hopefully some performance gains as well. Let's get this on and then we'll get start up and see exactly what it sounds like. Okay, so the R8 is back together, all assembled. We're going to get a cold start now and then show you the difference between the stock and the Quicksilver exhaust, and then obviously with the valves open and the valves closed. So let's start it up. So there you go, a huge difference in sound before and after. The difference is unreal. Hopefully you've enjoyed this video. Make sure you click subscribe. See you in the next one.